If the sun exploded, would we hear it? The silent mystery of space. Imagine you're floating in space, watching a massive star explode in a brilliant supernova. A flash of light brighter than billions of suns fills the sky. But here's the strange part. You wouldn't hear a thing. No boom, no bang, complete silence. How can such a gigantic explosion be silent? Let's uncover one of the most fascinating secrets of physics. To understand why space is silent, we first need to know what sound actually is. Sound is not an object, it's a vibration. When you speak, your vocal cords vibrate. These vibrations push nearby air molecules, creating a chain reaction. The molecules bump into each other and carry the sound to someone's ears. Think of it like a row of dominoes falling one after another. No molecules, no vibration transfer. And that means no sound. Now let's look at outer space. Space is almost a perfect vacuum. That means there are very few particles present. Since sound needs particles to travel through, it has nothing to carry it across space. So even if two giant asteroids collide with tremendous force, there would be no sound traveling through the vacuum. In movies, space battles are filled with explosions and loud noises. But in reality, they would happen in complete silence. The universe is far quieter than Hollywood makes it seem. If space is silent, how do astronauts talk to each other? The answer is radio waves. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves just like visible light. Unlike sound, they do not need a medium. They can travel through empty space. Astronauts wear radios inside their helmets. Their voices are converted into radio signals, transmitted through space, and converted back into sound in another astronaut's helmet. So astronauts can talk, even though normal sound cannot travel through space. Here's an interesting question. The sun is constantly vibrating and producing pressure waves. Scientists have even recorded these vibrations, but we cannot hear them directly because sound from the sun cannot cross the vacuum between the sun and Earth. If space were somehow filled with air, the sun would be incredibly loud. Some calculations suggest it could be louder than a jet engine. Fortunately, the vacuum of space blocks that sound completely. So the next time you watch a movie showing roaring explosions in space, remember, sound needs a medium. Space is nearly a vacuum. No medium means no sound. The universe may be filled with violent collisions, exploding stars, and cosmic events. But to our ears, it remains astonishingly silent. Physics reveals that sometimes the loudest events in the universe happen in complete silence. Thank you for watching the video. For more interesting physics, please subscribe.